Hello, everyone. Welcome back to It's a Trip Travel Agency, also known as TNC Summer Adventures. What we haven't showed you is our Airbnb. At least we're going to take you inside of it, and later on we'll take you on the outside and show you around. They use a keypad to enter, which I like that. It feels like extra security to me, and it will automatically lock normally when we close the door. So here we are. These are our living quarters for the past almost couple of weeks now. Has all the conveniences of home. Nice full-size refrigerator and freezer. Electric stove. Handy dandy microwave. It's been handy for Theo to have a coffee pot for the morning snacks. One thing they did, or a few things they did actually, was have some conveniences for us already. Different Airbnbs will do different things, but this one had the oil, which I haven't had to use. I've purchased a few things ourselves. Salt and pepper, paper towel, just kind of give you a running start. Utensils. Some people say, I don't cook when I'm away on vacation. Well, generally I don't either, but when I'm gone for a little while, I like to have a taste of home. I like to have my own food. And there are the wine glasses, regular glasses, coffee. You have a toaster, blender, anything you want to use, they pretty much took care of it. Dishware cabinet. Silverware. We are. A few other utensils. Pots and pans would have come in quite handy, I might say. There's a larger pot and a medium-sized one. And fruit from the vegetable stand up the way. I love it. It says, welcome, Benevito, living Panama. And over here we have the washer, 2-in-1 washer and dryer closet. It will wash and dry in one unit. Takes a while though. Takes a while to get used to for me. Then you have your sitting eating area. Living room. It's pretty comfy. It's good enough for us. Not home, but better than being in an apartment in a hotel at this point. Nice balcony, which I won't go out there right now because they're doing construction and you won't be able to hear me and I won't be able to hear myself. But this is the view we have. Many condominiums in the area. Far off there, you see more of downtown Panama. TV area. Gonna take you into the bedroom. Here we are. Nice size bedding. Here's the extended balcony. You can enter and exit from both bedroom and the living room. And here is our walk-in closet, if you will. But it's giving us pretty good space. I love the drawers, the shelving. And have to live out of a suitcase. I think they've done a pretty good job for short-term living, maybe long-term if you like to do that. And here's the powder room. As you see, there's a full shower, overhead rain shower, and cabinetry. Okay. And oh, the AC. Yes, the AC. Panama has AC. Not everywhere, but it's your choice. If you don't want it, it's our choice to have it. So we were to be sure that we had proper AC. So there is AC in the bedroom and in the living room. And it gets quite cold. So you can adjust it using the remote control in both rooms. Okay. And there you have it. This is where we have been. This is where we've lived in this time. Airbnb, and it's called Living 7373. And later on, we'll take you and show you around the other parts of it, the pool area, the gym, and the outdoors. But for now, it's a trip. Stay with us for more.